Car number 1, 1976 Chevrolet Malibu, $1,800. Located in Greensboro, North Carolina, this 1976 Chevy Malibu is a real throwback, but it's going to need a full restoration. Originally bought with plans to turn it into a NASCAR replica for street driving, it's been sitting for quite some time. The seller isn't sure if the motor still runs, making it a prime candidate for a full rebuild. If you're into restoring classics or want a unique project, this Malibu could be perfect for you. 1972 Lincoln Continental Mark IV 1400, located in Brookport, Illinois. This Lincoln Continental isn't currently running and was taken in as a trade with the issue traced to a firing problem. It's in decent shape overall, though it has some rust on the wheel wells and front fenders. The interior is actually in pretty good condition, and it's got a 460 V8 under the hood. For anyone looking to restore a classic with luxury appeal, this Lincoln is an interesting project at a bargain price. Car number 3, 1966 Pontiac Star Chief, $2,500, located in Akron, Ohio. Here's a 1966 Pontiac Star Chief that's running and driving. The transmission was recently rebuilt, and it's got new tires and brakes. However, the body does have some rust, especially on the rear passenger side, where Bondo work was done but is now sagging. The trunk floor and frame are solid, and there are spare parts along with the remaining exhaust in the trunk. This Star Chief could be a solid cruiser or a great restoration candidate for Pontiac enthusiasts. Car number 4, 1974 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40, $1,200. Located in Roxborough, North Carolina, this 1974 FJ40 is a rough project with heavy rust on the body tub. The frame, however, seems solid, and the drivetrain is complete, though its condition is unknown. It's loaded with parts that could be salvaged or restored. This FJ40 offers a great opportunity for anyone up for a challenging restoration of an iconic off-roader. Car number 5, 1978 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D, $1,600. Located in Wautoma, Wisconsin. This 1978 Mustang Coupe has seen better days, but still drives. It's powered by a 2.3-liter inline-4, though some interior gauges like the speedometer and gas gauge need fixing. It also needs an alignment and new tires, although the current ones have enough tread for short trips. This Mustang would be a fun restoration project, especially for someone looking to bring a classic pony car back to life. Car number 6, 1964 Dodge Dart, $600. Located in Harville, Illinois, this Dodge Dart comes with a major challenge, a blown engine with a hole in the block. The push-button automatic transmission is in good shape though, and the car has a clean title. It's a solid project for anyone looking to rebuild a classic Dodge from the ground up. Let me know if you need further customization or more details.